I know a girl who thinks of ghosts. She'll make you breakfast, she'll make you toast, but she don't use butter, and she don't use cheese. She don't use jelly or any of these. She uses Vaseline. Vaseline. And I know a guy who goes to shows when he's at home and he blows his nose. He don't use tissues or his sleeve. He don't use napkins or any of these. He uses magazines. Magazines. And I know a girl who reminds me of Cher. She's always changing the color of her hair, but she don't use nothing that you buy at the store. She likes her hair to be real, or she uses tangerines. 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 So just how far down do you want to go? And we can talk it out over a cup of joe. And you can look deep into my eyes like I was a supermodel. Well, it's you and me, baby, no one else we can trust. We'll say nothing to no one, no how we'll bust and never flinch or cry or crack a smile for nobody. We'll give your ID card to the border guard. Now your alias says you're Captain Jean-Luc Picard. United Federation of Planets, 'cause they won't speak English anyway. Everybody knows that the world is full of stupid people. We'll meet me at the mission at midnight. We'll divvy up there. Everybody knows that this world is full of stupid people. Well, I've got the pistols, so I'll take the pesos. Yeah, and that seems fair. So put the sugar in the tank of the sheriff's car and slice the deputy's tires. They won't get very far when they finally get the word that there's been a holdup. We'll give your ID card to the border guard. Now your alias says you're Captain Jean-Luc Picard. United Federation of Planets, 'cause they won't speak English anyway. Everybody knows that this world is full of stupid people. We'll meet me at the mission at midnight. We'll divvy up I've got the pistols, so I'll take the pesos. Yeah, and that seems fair.
Compadre, vamos a robar el banco. ¡Ay, ay!
Yeah, that seems fair. Yeah, that seems fair. We'll give your ID card to the border guard. Now your alias says you're Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the United Federation of Planets, 'cause they won't speak English anyway. Everybody knows that the world is full of stupid people. Meet me at the mission at midnight, we'll divvy up there. Everybody knows that the world's full of stupid people. Well, I've got the pistol, so I'll take the pesos. Yeah, that seems fair.